Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. Today, we are diving into a game-changing AI update and the company behind it. If you're starting out with AI governance, this video is for you. And if you're a seasoned practitioner, this video is for you as well. We're unpacking Claude Opus 4.1 from Anthropic, one of the most talked about new models in AI. And we're looking at what it means for AI governance professionals who want to guide AI responsibly. Remember, it's a model, and models are computational frameworks that process data. They learn patterns and then they make decisions autonomously. With Claude and Anthropic, this is a big news and a big deal for us. So Anthropic is the company that started in 2021 by a group of experts who left OpenAI. They were worried about how fast AI was moving without enough safety checks. So they formed Anthropic to build smarter AI and to have these guardrails in place. Anthropic is what's called a public benefit corporation, and that means that their mission includes doing good for society, not just making money. Their main product is Claude, an assistant kind of like ChatGTP, but with the focus on safe, understandable alignment with human values. So, thanks to support from companies like Amazon and Google, Anthropic quickly became a big player in AI. And what makes them stand out is their commitment to testing, transparency, and long term safety. So they enjoy building cool models, but they also ask the hard questions about what should these models do. Claude Opus 4.1 is their newest release. This version of Claude is smarter, faster, and more independent than ever. It's what we call agentic, which means that it takes more initiative to solve problems on its own. With older models, you needed to guide them step by step. But with Claude 4.1, you can now hand over bigger challenges and offer less supervision. And that's a big deal for us in the AI governance space. Because remember, the more independence an AI has, the more important it is to set boundaries. So think of it like a self-driving car. The powers of the car are great, but you've got to make sure that it knows the rules of the road. Anthropic uh, is on that path. Before its release of Claude 4.1, they put in some pretty tough safety testing. It's called adversarial red teaming, where experts try to trick the model to see how it reacts to dangerous or biased situations. They follow strict safety levels called ASL3, which is a technical way of saying that the model has been vetted for risk that could hurt people or violate ethical guidelines. It ensures that the models are more powerful, but that they are deployed with stronger safeguards to prevent misuse and protect society. So for us in AI governance, the first thing is that we need to make sure that we're doing more than just writing a policy as it relates to models with this kind of capability. It's more about making sure that the models pass real world safety tests before hitting the public. Claude Opus 4.1 scored a 75% on a coding and reasoning test. And basically, what that means is that it solved complex software problems better than most other models out there. And this is important for governance because it lets us know that there are strong benchmarks within the tool that helps you measure the model, and it also includes performance information in terms of fairness, bias, and explainability. So for us governance leaders, we have a set of metrics out there, and there's no guesswork. It either passes or it doesn't. And the status on this set of metrics helps to decide if an AI model is ready to be released. So if you're entering governance, these are the types of takeaways that you need to have in mind as you're scanning the environment, you're reading the news, and you're understanding what's happening. Agentic AI is growing, so we need to make sure that we understand how to set rules and ethical boundaries before models can get to a point where they're autonomous. We also need to make certain that there's safety tests in place. We learn and understand about red teaming in AI, what risk tiers and risk levels are, and how to validate an AI before it's launched. We also need to be certain that we use benchmarks to measure performance. Ethical AI needs data, not just good intentions. Claude isn't just another chatbot, it's a part of a bigger movement, one that's focused on safety, clarity, and ethics from the forefront. So if you're passionate about governance or supporting underrepresented voices in tech, this is your moment because the tools are evolving and so are the standards. Beginners can play a huge role in helping to shape AI in how it behaves in schools, in businesses, and communities. So whether your job would be to build policies or design testing or just learning the ropes, Claude Opus 4.1 is showing us what's possible when intelligence meets integrity. If you've learned something new, hit the like button and share with your governance friends. And if you want more beginner-friendly breakdowns or digital products, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next video.